Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable use 24-hour format clock on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. On the home screen, swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. In settings, go down and tap on general management. Next, tap on date and time, and then at the bottom, tap on use 24-hour format. So tap on the toggle button to switch it off or switch it on. You can see that if we switch it on, it will use this format. If we switch it off, it will use AM or PM format. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.